This how to 1 minute will show you how to add or remove blank space between WordPress blocks. As you can see right now, I'm in my post editor and here's I added an image block. And now let's add another block. And as you can see, I've added here total 2 blocks, and between these 2 blocks here we can see a gap. If you want to add more gaps between 2 blocks, first of all select the upper block. First of all, I'm going to selecting the upper block and pressing on enter, and now click on add block and here search for spacer, and here you will get this spacer block. Just add this block between these 2 blocks, and as you can see a space has been added. Now let's update and view this post. As you can see, a gap has been added between these 2 blocks. And now to increase these space size, go to the editor again and select the spacer block, and here you can increase the height of this block, or you can drag this block like this to increase height, and click on update. And now let's reload this post, and as you can see the gap has been added. That's how you will be able to add gaps or space between blocks. And now let's delete this spacer block, and here is the default gap between 2 blocks. And now to remove or decrease this default gap height, all you have to need, just go to your WordPress dashboard and now hover over on appearance and click on customize, and now click on additional CSS, and here we will write a little CSS code. So right here the CSS class name, and now you have to add the CSS code, margin bottom, and give value 0, and now copy this CSS class and publish this code. Once done, go to your editor and now select, and now I want to remove this gap between these 2 blocks, right? To do that, I'm selecting the upper block and selecting here block and scrolling down all the way to the bottom, clicking on advanced, and here you will get this additional CSS classes box. All you have to need, just enter here this class name and then update this post. And now let's view this post, and as you can see the blank space between these 2 blocks has been removed. So this is how we can add or remove blank space between blocks. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.